Hello friends, welcome to lesson 7 of free affiliate marketing tutorial. So we have already made our website like this, and we have already joined various affiliate program or my suggested affiliate program, that is CJ affiliate, in previous lesson. And we have also learned about how to get your own affiliate link that you can promote through this website. So once you select the product that you want to promote and get the affiliate links. So for example, I have selected these 5 products that I am going to make a top 5 post related to these anti-aging creams. Then we need to hire a content writer through a freelance site that is called Fiverr, and I have given the link in the description of this video. That will be my affiliate link. You can join Fiverr from there, and after joining Fiverr, what you need to do is you need to make a post request. You need to post a request, and to do that, firstly you need to make this kind of outline, and I'll provide this text in the description of this video. You can copy it and edit it according to your requirement. So I have written here I need 3000 words blog post related to top 5 health related product. Now if your product are related to table tennis, then you can write here table tennis, or weight loss, then you can also write it weight loss, or digital marketing products, you like email marketing or so on. You can write that whatever your product is, just write edit it that here. And in requirement, you should write on page SEO. My requirement on page SEO, this is extremely important. You need that. Now this 5 picture of product, it is not very much important, but you can still use it because we are going to use sales image that I will show how you will make in upcoming lessons. It's your choice if you want to put. And another important would be focus keyword up to 5. So these keywords are generally the terms that people use to search on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and that can drive free traffic to our website in future. And correct grammar. So grammar, there should not be any kind of grammatical mistake in your article, and that article need to be engaging and readable. So if people start to read, that need to be that should be able to engage that people to read full article. And one important warning that you need to give in below is that if you are thinking to deliver a spin content, so spin content means those content which are copied from other website and are just edited, such kind of article are called spin article. And you can easily recognize those kind of article, because when you start to read those article, that those article doesn't make proper sense, and if that article doesn't make proper sense, then you can understand that it is an spin article. So you need to warn it when you are posting a request in Fiverr. So if you are thinking to deliver spin content, then stay away. You will be wasting your time. Trust me. So because of this warning, most writer will, those who are thinking to provide you a spin article, will stay back. And if they do not stay back and still submit us a spin content, we can cancel that order and don't pay that writer. So you just need to make this kind of outline and copy it. Once you copy it, you go to your Fiverr dashboard. It is easy to join Fiverr. Just click on the link below and click on join, and you will be easily joined in Fiverr. And once you join, then just click on this round section. Here you can put your image also. So you can click here and you can click on post a request. So once you click on that post a request, you can now paste that outline here. So once you post this outline here, then you can choose a category, and our category would be writing and translation, and in subcategory it would be articles and blog post. So you can select these 2 things, and then here it is saying that once you place your order, when would you like to service delivered, when would you like your service to be delivered, meaning you can just keep up to minimum of 2 days. whatever day you want to. You can also select 24 hours, but it would be a too short time for a writer to write a high quality content. So a minimum of 2 day I would suggest you to put here, and a budget of, it would be also your choice, but I would suggest a minimum budget of $20 for to receive a high quality article. And you can click on submit request. So once you click on submit request, then Fiverr will verify your request if it is genuine or not, and you can then visit to manage request. So once you visit to manage request, I have made a request yesterday to show you especially. So I have submitted this kind of request. It is similar to this one, and I have received 40 offers. So 40 different people are interested to write article for me. And now I can click on here and see all the writers that have offered me. So various people will offer various pricing. So what you need to do now is you simply need to read what they have written here, and now you can use your common sense if they can write your article or not by reading this text. And you can also further visit their profile and see various things, what are they offering in their gig. So, and once you are satisfied with some writer, you can simply click on order now. Once you click on order now, then it would redirect you to pay. So you'll make initial payment, but the writer will not receive that payment immediately. Fiverr will hold it, and if you are not satisfied, then you can receive your, I mean, you can cancel your order and receive your fund back. So you don't need to take any tension for that thing. So you can click on order now, and once you click on order now, and you need to submit requirement, what kind of article you need. So firstly you will copy the outline. So copy the outline and paste in the first, in the top, that is your I need 300 word blog post, SEO optimized pictures, focus keyword, everything that we used in poster request. You will first put that, and then you will write article outline. I'll also paste this details in the description of this video. You can copy it from here, there, and then you can write article outline. And in article outline you should give a title, and the title would be top 5 best product related to anti-aging cream that you can buy today, or whatever you want, something interesting that is related to your product. You can also search in Google for to see what kind of titles are ranking, and you can use that kind of similar title, not exactly same title, but somehow similar to those things. And you can make a good title, and you can write the product name. So you already have the affiliate links of these products, and now you will write these are the top 5 product that you need to write an article on. You can say that to the writer. So now you can make an important note. So in important note you will write, include some interesting points, facts about the product. That is extremely important because people love to read these things. And in second you can write include pricing for the products. And in third you will tell writer about your intention. So my intention is to sell these products by promoting this article. So once you do this, you can copy all, and firstly you click on order now, and it will ask you for payment. And once you pay, then it will ask for your submit a requirement, and you can just paste these requirements, and your writer will see. And if you have any problem, he will say I can write this article or anything other. Yes, I will definitely write this article in this much days, they'll say, and he'll start writing and he will deliver you the content. So now here you can see this article writer is providing us a $18 offer, and you will write 5 focus keyword, and reference and citation you will provide a reference in the article, and you will deliver the article in 2 days. So here you can see how much days they are asking to deliver the product, sorry, the article that we are trying to order. You can see, and once you order, then after 2 days they will they'll deliver you that order, and I'll show you my delivery. So if you click on orders when they deliver, then then this is some, you'll see I have cancelled some articles previously which were not good, and you can do the same if you are not satisfied with the article. So you can click on there. This is my previous delivery. Once they deliver this article at here, then here will be a approve button. Don't initially click that approve button, just download the article first to see whether the article is good in quality or not. So you can click on show in folder, and you can simply open that article. You can simply open that article and read the article, either it is engaging or not, or something like that. And once you read the article, you copy up to 1,000 words of this article and visit a site to check plagiarism. So you can click on it. These are some free tools. You can simply paste the text, the article that you have copied up to 1,000 word. You can check up to 1,000 word in one time, and just click on check plagiarism. So this article will be a little bit plagiarized, but because I have already used in my website, and due to that it would show some plagiarized here. But your fresh article should be 100% unique. If it is not 100% unique, then you can cancel that order straightly, because plagiarized content means that the writer have copied the article from other website and directly posted it into your delivery, and they have delivered you that plagiarized content, and that is extremely not good for you. So here you can see here highlighted, these are some plagiarized. Now these are showing plagiarized because I have already posted it in my website. Here you can see it is plagiarized because pawandakal.com has already posted it. In all, you can see it is my website, and in my website it is already posted, so it is showing plagiarized here. But your fresh article need to be 100% unique. So after doing that much, what you need to do is you need to also check grammar. So just like if you see here, I have added an extension of Grammarly here. Because of this, your red lines are showing, and it is suggesting me that this word should be like this. This word should be like this. Now, let's say if if I made a mistake while writing word like WODS, then it will show a red line, and I can click on here and change it. So it would be important for us when we are making a post or pages, if there is something wrong, then it will start to suggest us that this thing is wrong. Just like if, let me see, if I delete products, so it will see the spelling is wrong, so it will show us products. Now this extension is absolutely free. I will also give the link of this extension in the description of this video. You just need to click on that and download the extension, and you can sign up to Grammarly, and it is free to use for lifetime until you don't want to upgrade it or pay for it. So with paying feature, you'll get some extra benefit, but it is okay to just use its free version. So as you can see, op2 is closed, so it is suggesting us to differentiate a little bit. It is saying us to give a gap in here. So that thing Grammarly suggests you properly, and if you have any spelling mistake in the article, it would help you to correct it. Now in next, Next lesson we'll post a article in our page section, top 5 articles in our page section, and we'll also use some sales image so that people can click on that image and buy the product through our affiliate link so that we can get the commission. I'll also teach you about making those kind of sales image and putting the link on those sales image, your affiliate link on those image. And for today it is, so I want to stop for today in here. So I hope this lesson was easy for you to understand, and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in next lesson. Bye bye.